Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You are signed in, now go straight to your channel settings. Click your avatar, select YouTube Studio, then Settings at bottom left. Once done, choose Channel and then Basic Info to see your current handle and name. Make sure your account is verified and you meet any eligibility prompts, otherwise the handle change may be restricted. This step primes the system and prevents surprises. If you prefer mobile, open the YouTube app, tap your avatar, manage your account, then channel settings to follow the same flow. Now you pick the new handle. Type it into the handle field starting with the @ character. Once you type, YouTube checks availability. If taken, try variations with numbers or a period. Make sure it follows allowed characters and length. Do not use spaces. After selecting one, hit save or publish and confirm any prompts. Once applied, watch the preview so you see how it appears on your channel header, links, and comments. If you change your mind, repeat the process within allowed limits. Finish by confirming the change and refreshing your channel page. That forces the new handle to propagate. Next, update any external links, social bios, and pinned comments so viewers find you using the new @ If the handle doesn't appear everywhere immediately, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or wait a few hours for propagation. YouTube can take time to update caches. If the change was blocked for policy reasons, check the message, adjust the handle, and submit again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.